Hi to all architects, engineers and CAD draftsmen. I'm Hassan Shakur and I'm from Cad Gizmo. Friends, in this video we will draw a house plan for beginner students, and in this video you will learn how to start and draw a house plan. And before I start the video, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see the latest updates. Friends, before we start the house plan, we set the units, and for that type UN and press enter. Now select the architecture and precision is 1 and 4 inches, and by default our units set on inches, and click on OK. So we set our units. Now we set our dimension, basic dimension setting we do here. Click on modify, and in the primary units tab select architecture and precision 1 and 4 inches, and into text tab we give the height 8 inches and close. Now give the height of arrowhead 8 inches like we give the text height, and in the text we click on ISO standard and click on OK. Now click on set current and click on close. So in this way we set our units and dimensions for architecture plan. Now we have a plan of 27 feet into 50 feet dimension. And before we start the house plan, all the command list which are necessary to draw this house plan given in the description. Go and check out these videos and learn how to draw this house plan. And to specify the area, I make a rectangle. Click anywhere in the drawing and click and type D and press enter. Now give the dimension 27 feet and enter, and 50 feet and enter. So in this way I draw my area. Now I move it here to start the work. Now if I select this rectangle, this is a single unit, and to explode this type X and press enter to explode. Now this single object divided into multiple lines like this. Now we start our house plan. Give the offset 9 inches like this, and give the offset 7 feet. Give the offset 9 inches and give the offset 4 feet and 7.5 inches from upside to downside. And give the offset 4.5 inches. Trim these extra lines like this, and select this and delete it with the erase tool. Now we make a door. Draw a line and move it 4.5 inches, and give the offset 2.5 feet. TR double enter, trim the lines and give the height 2.5 feet, and with an arc tool we draw our arc. With the zoom and trim tool we trim this extra line. Now we make a ventilation window of 2 feet, 1 feet on both sides. Now we make the mirror of this bathroom, and for that we draw a line like this and select this bath like this, and mirror it with the MI tool. Pick the center point or the midpoint of the line and give the direction and click on no. Draw lines like this. So in this way we mirror our bath. Like this. So move this 4.5 inches and move it 4.5 inches on the upside, and with the trim tool we trim the extra lines. So in this way we make our two baths with the mirror tool. Now delete this. Now I make offset 12 feet like this and extend it. And give the offset 9 inches. Now give the offset 11 feet 10 inches and give the offset 9 inches like this, and trim this extra line. Like this. We make door here now, and for that draw a line and move it 4.5 inches. Now give the offset 3.5 feet like this and trim these lines. Now we give the height 3.5 feet, and with an arc tool A enter we make an arc like this and trim this extra line with TR double enter. Now if we want to mirror this door on the right side, then select it and type MI and press enter. Now specify the first point or the axis point and give the direction and click on no. So in this way I mirror my door like this. Now we make the windows. With the break tool we break these lines. Now we make the offset like this. So in this way we make our windows also. With the fillet tool, F enter and M enter, we make the corners. And trim this. Now I give the offset 14 feet and press enter. Give the direction and with the extend tool I extend it. and make an offset, and with the fillet tool I make the corner. F enter and M enter. F for fillet and M for multiple, and trim these extra lines like this. Now if we want to make a chamfer on this entrance area, then type CHA, enter, D, enter, give the first chamfer distance 6 feet 8 inches and press enter and enter. Now select the lines like this and give the offset 9 inches like this and make a fillet. Like this. In this way we make a corner. So in this way we convert our corner into chamfer at the entrance area. Now we make the door here like this, and here first we check our angle 90 degree, so it is right. Now we make the offset 2 feet on both sides. Now we give the door height, and for that type L, enter, and give the distance 2 feet 9 inches, and copy this and paste it here. Now with the arc tool we make arc like this on both lines, and TR double enter and trim these extra lines like this. So in this way we make our door. Now give the offset 7 inches and give the offset 1.5 feet like this. TR double enter and delete these extra lines like this. Now we make window here, and for that draw a line and give the offset 3 inches like this. We do it same here. First trim it, draw a line and make the offset. So in this way we make our door and window on this chamfer. Now we make a window. Now we make another window here, and which is 6 feet in length, 3 feet on both sides. TR double enter with the line tool and the offset tool I make the window and trim this line also, and I trim it, TR double enter and delete it. So in this way we draw our plan, and so now I draw a door here. First I draw a line and move it 4.5 inches. Now give the door width 3 feet. TR double enter. Give the door height with the F8. I make it horizontal and give the height 3 feet, and with an arc tool I make the arc, zoom it and trim it, and I make a window here, and for that from midpoint draw a line and give the offset 3 feet on both sides. TR double enter. Now with the line tool draw a line and make the offset of 3 inches like this. So in this way I draw all of my windows and doors. Now we make our grass area or landscape area and move it 4.5 inches. Like this, and move it 4.5 inches and fillet it. So this is our remaining area, and in this we make our landscape or greenery area and porch. First we make the offset of 3 feet and 4 inches like this, and give the area about 10 feet. More than 10 feet we give 14 feet and fillet it like this. Give the offset 2 inches to show the landscape or greenery area. So this is our main entrance of our house, and this is our porch area. Now we make 2 columns on the corner with the rectangle. D enter 13 inches, enter 13 inches, enter, and click. And with the copy tool we copy it here, and the door width is about 8 feet. Select this rectangle, copy it and paste it here. Delete this line and rectangle, select and press E enter, and trim this and move this line like this. So in this way we complete our house plan. So I hope all the beginner students learned from this video, and if you have any question related to this video, please leave a comment. All the commands which are necessary to draw this house plan I give it in description. Please check it out and learn how to draw this house plan. So guys, take care of yourself and see you soon in the next video.